So step 4, focus on the long term. It's essential to understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Long-term investing allows you to ride out the inevitable ups and downs of the market and potentially earn higher returns over time. It's important to resist the urge to constantly be checking your investments and to make frequent trades based on short-term market movements. Instead, what you should be doing is focus on the underlying fundamentals of the companies or funds that you're investing in, because this is what made you invest in them in the first place. Look for companies with strong financials, consistent earnings growth, and a track record of success. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes, and that's going to help you manage your risk. When it comes to long-term investing, it's also important to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and your time horizon. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or something else? Your goals and your time horizon can help your investment decisions and ensure that you're taking an appropriate level of risk. By focusing on the long term, you can avoid the temptation to make short-sighted investment decisions and build a portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals over time.